Hello and welcome. Last year in Cincinnati, we turned 21. That was the 21st annual workshop in USA. And it was the very first workshop after the pandemic, the first in-person workshop. After that time, it was amazing. It's almost magical. We have much deeper feelings and appreciation of the personal energy, and the classes are amazing. So this year, we're going to one of our favorite sites, the Pacific University, Portland, Oregon. The beautiful campus, really nice accommodation and great food, and the people there make us feel welcome. More importantly, all the instructors are coming back, and I'm sure most of the regular participants are coming back, but we love to meet new people as well, newcomers, and once you be in the workshop, you know how nice it is, you become a regular too. And I hope you can come and enroll as soon as possible. I put together a short video, about 5 minutes or less, of our 21 glorious years of workshop in USA. Enjoy saying hello to your friends and get to see what it's like in the workshops. And also, I will put the Sydney workshop too. That's 4 minutes of 25 years of annual workshop in Sydney. And many of you do come to Sydney as well as the USA, and it would be nice to see the similarity and differences. Look forward to see you or hear from you.